Connect the air hose. Mount the cable guides that match the cable to be installed. Feed the cable through the guides and into the machine. Raise the counting wheel until it makes contact with the cable. Place the lower duct clamp into the bracket. Slide a suitable jet seal onto the cable. Mount the jet seal into the lower duct clamp. Attach the cable head to the cable. Place the duct into the lower clamp and secure it. Install the upper clamp and secure it using the clamp bracket. If using Jetlogger, connect the Jetlogger cable. Press the power button, then press and hold Reset to zero the counter. Turn on Jetlogger by pressing the power button. Turn the handle clockwise to tighten the drive belts against the cable. Release the emergency stop. Turn the regulator clockwise to supply air to the motors. Enter the current installation data into Jetlogger and start the session. Turn the joystick to the right to select the desired speed. The installation is now in progress. To change gear while using Jetlogger, press the V4 gear button. Turn the handle counterclockwise to open the drive belts. For low gear, press in the gears and turn them to the left. Both gears must be changed. After shifting gear, tighten the drive belts again. Low gear delivers maximum pushing force, up to 2,000 newtons or 450 pounds force, with a reduced installation speed of 30 meters per minute or 98 feet per minute. High gear delivers maximum installation speed, up to 110 meters per minute or 361 feet per minute, with a pushing force of up to 1,000 newton or 225 lbf. Maintenance. Check the oil level on the machine daily. Refill only with Jetting Pneumatic Oil 32. If the string seals in the duct compartment are worn, replace them with new ones. If the machine is not used for several days, always lubricate the motors before operation. Refer to the instructions in the V4 Grizzon manual. Good luck with your V4 Grizzon machine. For more information, visit jetting.se. Jetting. Dare to do it differently.